2024 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. Everything about the factory Overland truck. A Toyota Tundra-based Trailhunter concept that debuted at the SEMA show in Las Vegas 2 years ago was more than just a cool build. It previewed a forthcoming line of factory-built overlanding trucks developed in-house by Toyota engineers. The first production Trailhunter isn't based on a Tundra, though the smaller, all-new 2024 Tacoma serves as the launch vessel instead. Based on what we're seeing, we'll take our trail hunting where we can get it, because the Trailhunter's overlanding prep looks impressive. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is a new trim level that tops a lineup that also includes the entry-level SR, mid-grade SR5, resurrected TRD Pre-Runner, TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, Luxurious Limited, and Desert Off-Road TRD Pro trim levels. That's a mouthful of trims, and while we won't get into all the trim variances here, know that the multitudinous off-roaders in the lineup, Pre-Runner, Off-Road, and TRD Pro, have trim-specific suspension tuning, and one of the Trailhunter's main attributes, next to all its camping readiness, is its unique shock setup. It's also worth noting that upper trims like the Trailhunter have 5-link, coil-sprung rear suspension, while the lower trims get leaf springs. The Trailhunter is configured as a 4-door double cab, crew cab in Toyota speak, and is available with either the short 5-foot bed or longer 6-footer. Considered a halo variant on par with the TRD Pro, the Trailhunter factory-developed overlanding rig gets the upper echelon when it comes to standard equipment. Like the TRD Pro, it gets the iForce Max hybrid powertrain standard, which combines a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 48 HP/184 lb FT electric motor for a combined whopping 326 horsepower and enormous 465 lb-ft of torque. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic, no manual on the hybrid, though one is available on the plain turbo versions. Max towing for this engine is 6,000 pounds and max payload is 1,709 pounds, but those figures aren't Trailhunter specific. All Tacomas now get 4-wheel disc brakes. Whoa! With higher trims like the Trailhunter getting larger front and rear brake packages. Inside, the Trailhunter gets the 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, larger 14.0-inch multimedia display, head-up display, and heated and cooled front seats, for example. Toyota Safety Sense, TSS 3.0 is standard across the whole Tacoma lineup. As with some of the other upper trims, there's a JBL Flex portable Bluetooth speaker that docks on the dashboard but can be removed should you want to take the music campsite or 3 feet underwater, apparently. Trailhunter does not, however, get the ultra-intense, air-shock-equipped ISO-dynamic performance seats of the TRD Pro. Just as GM partnered with AEV for its Chevy Colorado ZR2 Bison Edition and GMC Canyon at 4X AEV Edition, Toyota works with Australian-based ARB for upfitting its Trailhunter. Co-developed with ARB, the suspension consists of Old Man Emu, OME, position-sensitive 2.5-inch forged monotube shocks with rear external piggyback remote reservoirs. This exclusive OME suspension by ARB is tailored for off-road control and load-carrying capability, for all that overlanding gear, and is paired with bronze-colored forged aluminum upper control arms, with Trailhunter embossed on them, of course. Combined with the TRD Pro's 265/70 are 1833-inch Goodyear Territory R/T tires wrapped around 18-inch bronze-colored Trailhunter wheels. The Trailhunter sits 2 inches higher in front and 1.5 inches higher in the rear. Like the TRD Pro, the Trailhunter has an electronic rear locking differential and a front stabilizer bar disconnect that allows for more front-wheel articulation with the push of a button. The 2 trims also have auxiliary DC toggle upfitter switches on the dashboard and a 2,400-watt AC inverter. The TRD Pro gets an aluminum skid plate, but the Tacoma Trailhunter takes protection to the next level with hot-stamped steel skid plates that protect the front end, transmission, and rear differential. Frame-mounted rock rails add additional protection against body damage, and a high-clearance exhaust tip that exits under the body ahead of the rear axle to prevent harm to the system. The Trailhunter and TRD Pro share a high-clearance ARB steel rear bumper with prominent red recovery hooks. That bumper is also unique as the first all-steel unit to incorporate the full sensor suite necessary for blind spot monitoring and parking distance sensing, with the former provided in the plastic corner risers and the latter accommodated by inserts large enough to prevent interference from the steel. Fun fact, the Tacoma has a high-lift jack point integrated into the rear frame end. Toyota has announced an associated accessory products AAP program that includes a bunch of overlanding, camping, and adventure accessories from which customers can choose to customize their Trailhunter and other Tacoma trims, straight from participating dealerships. These products and accessories can be financed and rolled straight into the monthly payment. The Tacoma Trailhunter, Toyota's first adventure-ready, purpose-built, off-grid overlanding rig, should arrive in early 2024. Pricing has not been announced, but we expect it could be on par with, or even crest, the TRD Pro's MSRP. We can't wait to test the Tacoma Trailhunter against its price and look forward to eyeballing this hot new midsize morsel at Overland Expo West.